Chef here. Oh yeah. Blueberries. I like it. Yet some more tips to help you live longer. Yes, blueberries. Recently there was some studies done. Blueberries are really good for your blood and your heart and just helping longevity, helping you live longer. And wow, they are a superfood, antioxidant, all kinds of good stuff, help keep you from getting colds, improve your immunity. So blueberries, whether fresh or dried, contain calcium, iron, potassium, a little bit of carbohydrates, some natural sugar. That's all good stuff. That's okay. Basically, combining blueberries into your diet, whether you're making blueberry muffins, having them on some cereal in the morning, or just snacking on them, that's going to help you live longer. Crazy but true. Blueberries are a superfood, and just knowing that, you should seek them out and incorporate them into your diet. Wow. If you're looking for recipes, visit the sponsor. Their website has lots of options and lots of cool things. Soups, sauces, stocks, appetizers, salads, entrees, desserts, guest chef recipes, all kinds of baking things, how to make bread, how to make pizza, all kinds of cool stuff. So anyway, check it out. With that, I'm going to let you go. Thanks for watching. Smash the like, share, subscribe buttons. And yeah, blueberries. I like it. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. You're gonna like it. Oh, on a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection, no cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh, yeah. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA. Countertops, walnut, oak, maple, cherry, all sizes. Contact sponsor. Got my steamed asparagus on there. It's looking really good. The last thing I'm going to add to finish this drunken porterhouse recipe is some of the drunken juice right over the top like this. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right down there. Get cooking. Try the recipe. My standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. Good. Check out the huge selection at your sponsor. Edge grain, end grain, maple, cherry, walnut, big blocks, small blocks, countertops, island tops, cutting boards, and many, many other wood products and applications. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. So this one's kind of dried out. The surface is crying, oil me please, oil me please. And this one's fresh and ready to go. So that's the difference. You can see it right there. I highly recommend you get the mystery oil and or the board cream. You just apply it like this, little circular motion. Yeah. I prefer to use a plastic bag. I'm just gonna put it on like this. Oh yeah. Looking good already. And this block has given me years and years of cutting, chopping pleasure. Primarily this one's used for serving fruits and cheese. You can see it sucking up the oil. Yeah, the oil protects it, it penetrates into the wood, and it makes it last for many, many more years. Looking really good now, yeah. The other side, same deal. It's crying for some oil. Oh, let's give it the oil. There we go. Okay, the oil is on there. Circular motion, let it penetrate. Doesn't take very long, a little effort, but this maintenance is very, very important. So if you need to score the oil, if you need to order the butcher block, I highly recommend you visit your sponsor. They have about 50 years of combined experience in butcher block, and wow, it's the good stuff. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.